Let's create an informal AP lab write-up, or what's also called a mini poster. The way we'll create an informal AP lab write-up or mini poster is by using the following: 2 folders with pockets, Post-it notes, and tape. So what you should do is take your 2 folders and tape them together so that they stand just like they do in this picture. Also, you'll need to fill out Post-it notes so that they look like the Post-it notes in this picture. Here's what each Post-it note should be labeled as: title with names, purpose, list of materials and equipment, list of procedures, a labeled diagram of the setup, relevant equations, organized data table, graph of original data with labels, units, scaling, etc., organized analysis table if necessary, a graph of linearized data with labels, units, and scaling, again that's if necessary, and finally calculations and derivations. Now realize your group only needs 1 set of folders for the entire year, and let's keep that set in the classroom. Your group makes new Post-it notes for each lab. Then what you'll do is you'll watch the video that pertains to the current lab, but before you come to class, you need to complete the Post-it notes for the following parts of the lab: the title and names, the purpose, the list of materials and equipment, the list of procedures, and the label diagram. Now have blank Post-it notes labeled and ready for the following parts of the lab: relevant equations, organized data table, organized analysis table, that would be if necessary. Also have graph paper ready for the following parts of the lab: the graph of the original data with labels, units, and scaling, and the graph of linearized data with labels, units, and scaling, that would be if it's necessary. In class, this is what your group will do. Your group's going to complete the lab. Then after finishing the lab, fill out the Post-it notes with the necessary information, fill out the graphs, arrange the Post-it notes and graphs inside the folders, then print your names and sign the Post-it notes and graphs for which they were each individually responsible, and finally, ask your teacher to grade your informal lab write-up. And then you're done.